Hey guys, so today I'm back with another unboxing and I'm wearing the same clothes and everything from the last video, but that's because I recorded this video right after the first one. So yeah, and this is gonna be Marzia's seasonal unboxing. This is the Mermaid box. I'm so excited. I actually got it a couple of days ago. I just haven't had the chance to record the video, and now I'm finally getting to record it, so I'm really happy that I finally get to use the thing. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So this is what it looks like from the inside. A bunch of this, but throw that out. Oh, so the first thing, let me get the postcard. This is what the postcards. Recently she's collaborating with different artists, like Instagram artists, and they do different artwork and stuff. So this is this season's artwork, like it's called the Mermaid box. And then let's see, this first thing, I was actually surprised because I know she puts out the video of what things she's gonna put in the box, but I was since there's two different, there's a VIP box and a just regular box, which I get the regular box because it's cheaper. I get it for $40 and it comes, it's actually like $30, no, $29.99, then plus shipping, handling, it comes out to $40, exactly $40. And then the other one, VIP, comes out to like $90, and I'm like, no, I can't, I'm okay with this one. Alright, so I was actually surprised I got this product in the box because I thought, I mean, she's put brushes in here before, but I don't get them because I'm not the VIP. But this one I did get, and this is the Disney collaboration, I guess. So it's the Spectrum Collection Disney Aerial Mermaid Brush. The super soft bristles of the domed powder brush are ideal for applying a fine layer of translucent powder or a dusting of bronzer. And it is soft. It's so cute though. It has says Spectrum A01, and then it says Disney on this side, and it's like the packaging itself is so pretty. I'm glad I liked it. I'm glad I got it. Next up is this coconut oil gel. It says IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. Create hydrated, lived-in, undone hair of right now. This lightweight coconut oil infused styler gives you tousled air, dry texture, and smooth shine. It looks nice. Like the picture of the hairstyle looks real nice, but I never use gel in my hair. I'm gonna try, maybe I'll try this time because it looks real nice. So we'll see how that works. Next up, I got this green apple peel full strength. It says green apple peel full strength exfoliating mask. Reveal a brighter complexion with this potent mask that delivers spa grade exfoliation. It's a little sample, looks like that. So I'm glad I like this box because she does a whole mixture of beauty and skincare and just other stuff, miscellaneous things I will show at the end. Oh, this one, I'm so excited about this. This is the ColourPop Supernova Shadow and Moonlit. This high impact ultra glittery shadows have a metallic base, are extremely long wearing, and can be used as a base alone or as a topper. Oh, I've never owned anything but, well, I have something else, the back cover effects, but it's ColourPop, and that's what it looks like. It's so pretty. I'm not too crazy about the color shade, but I mean, it's still so pretty. I can't wait to use it, and that's what it looks like. And this is the type of applicator that it has. It's real pretty. I'm excited about it. Next up, I'm really excited about this one as well because this is the first one of I don't have any of these, and this is the Tarte Color Splash Lipstick and Skinny Dip. The ultra creamy vegan formula combines intense pigments and buttery smooth conditioners for comfort swipe color that locks in place with no feathering or bleeding. And it's in the shade Skinny Dip. And the packaging is so pretty. It's like a blue marble kind of, looks like that, and it's just like a neutral color. Let's swatch it real quick. This is like the everyday color, it kind of blends into my skin because it's that neutral. And but yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't wear too much like any lipstick at all to work, but maybe I'll wear that because it's like it's barely there. It's pretty. And this is the Rainforest of the Sea collection. I don't own anything from that collection, so I'm excited. This is the first thing. Oh, then next, this comes along with the mermaid, the whole mermaid theme. This is the where is it? Custom products by Bethany Grace. This is the custom things from the, what is it, the artist that she's collaborating with. This is the mermaid face jewels, iron on embroidery pet. Oh, so this is just the mermaid face jewels right here. It's face and body jewels. Wear at festivals, summer something, pool and beach parties, warehouse raves, and impromptu nights out. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Just like different blue things. I've never actually worn any rocks or stuff like this on my face, so this will be a first. Next up is 2 patches. This is also from the collaboration with the artist. It's 2 patches. They're cute. I can put these on a shirt or a bag or anything like that. Any clothing that I want to add. It's pretty cute. And then last but not least, some tattoos, I believe. Yeah, they're colorful, cute tattoos. Mermaidy underwater. Pretty. And last but not least, I got like a $15 welcome bonus when you join eBay for free. So yeah, and that's all of my box. I'm really excited, especially for the ColourPop and the lipstick by Tarte. They're so pretty, and it dried like already. It dries fast and it doesn't move, like you can't budge. It won't budge. So that's nice. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll be back with another video hopefully soon, and I'll see you. Bye.